Guys, this is my instance n8n self-hosted hostinger. I will show you that the old way to create a workflow is now deprecated, because with AA assistant you can create your workflow just with a simple prompter. How to do this? I will show you. First, you go in your server host. Like me, I use Hostinger. I have already VPS. I have already a VPS hosted in my instance n8n, but now I should host it for container to create my AA assistant. It's easy. Go to manage. Docker manage. I create it already, but in the first time you should create it. It's easy. Just you need to go to Docker manager, catalog, here you write n8n assistant, you select it and you deploy. That is the first step to create your Docker AI assistant. Already I created. After that you can manage it. Go to your instance, you go to Docker manager, you will see the Docker instance that you created for your AI assistant. First thing you should do for deploying, you reach manage, you will see for container, but your assistant container is working in this host. You create your environment is important. You should add it, for example, you will not get, you should add the nexus API key, and you should add it your Ontrofic API key. Your Ontrofic API key, you go to the platform Ontrofic and you get your API key. You put it here. You put the same name and the value you copy from your platform of Ontrofic. Nexus API is you can get it from there. You should go to AI router Nexus. I have already my API key, but you can get it when you pay it. I already have an account. I paid $5. Look here. manage. Manage. Manage your AI provider. Here I pay it $5 because I used it. You manage your AA provider. You paid here and you put your credits there. Available credits, but if you don't pay it, you will not get this message. You should pay it to get the credits. After that, you reach your VPMS original, but you manage it. Very important thing. You should take care of your environment. Book. Manage. This is your environment. Should be like that exactly. This is not touch it. The instance model you choose, I choose Cloud Sonnet for type. You choose like that. This is already automatically installed on Nexus API. You should pay it and you get your API key. On Traffic API key, you should get it from your platform. On Traffic, you can see your YAML. Look, all things is ready. Your environment. Look, this is the same. Your on Traffic key. All here is the sandbox API key is where your the sandbox is where your code is running. You should have all information about. It's automatically installed by n8n by Hostinger. You don't have to watch all the document there in n8n. Just do these steps, and now you get your instance just like that. After verified your YAML file and your environment, okay, you should verify also your environment. Okay, after that you deploy it and you get your ready assistant in your instance there. You can ask him anything. You can create for me any sample workflow in second. We'll see the response. So much time because already my hosted PPMS is have just one CPU, and this AI assistant should be 2 CPU. There is in the document on requirement, but for me I use just a simple PMS with just one CPU. That is my workflow. Create just here you all is down, just your credential, put your credential here. Before that you prepare your message, and all is ready. Thank you for watching.